I'm going to camcord it.
Yeah, but she'll hide them again and again and again. They're usually real easy.
Yeah, I wish you could see her. She's cute as a button. We're going to post pictures on there later on. We've only got a dozen of them, and Kathy's taking them out of the basket and throwing them back down again when her back's turned. Keep her busy. Are you on Facebook? Well, you ought to hunt me up on there because that's where I'll post these at. Okay. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye.
There's some over there.
Krista, it looks like it's raining eggs. You see them falling from the sky?
She putting them in. Funny that basket don't get no fuller.
If she was a few years older, she would be wondering.
Yeah, she's been figuring that out. Yeah.
There's one over there, Krista, look. Over there. Krista, look, over there.
There's two over here.
Uh-oh. See, they're raining from the sky. Yeah, but she didn't see it coming from Mama. She just seen it coming down.
There's one over there. I'm trying to get her to notice.
Look over here by the wall. No, no, don't peck on the window. No. No!
Krista, no.
You might move her over on this side.
There's some more. Look, over there.
Krista! Move her over there.
She saw me that time. Are you getting tired?
Probably just getting started on it, kid. Oh, look at that one over there.
There, look at you.
Oh, there comes another one. Where's them coming from? Oh, there goes
I
one.
thought I got her in the head then. This is how you give a bunch of eggs when you have little money. She can go at it for hours. But I think she's starting to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, but
She's having the ball with it, though. There's some horses out there.
those are John's, I think.
Oh, she's getting better at carrying them in two hands. Is there any more?
Over there, look.
There
That looks like candy corn.
yeah, it's kind of there.
Krista, Grandpa's got one here. He's hiding over here. Look. See, he's standing over here hiding it. Look at that. Tell him they're your eggs, not his.
She looked right at my hand.
You missed it. There it is.
Are you tired?
Get them all? Think you did?
All she's got to do is look like a thumb now.
Oh, we're going in the water almost.
Try it underhanded, Mama. Yeah, like that. The wind's blowing them. Maybe you ought to go on the other side.
Good thing she didn't bring that silver one up. Uh-oh.
Oh, no, she's going to be going across the water, Mama. No, right through the damn water.
Better out in there. Oh, well, no more.
Unless she's taking a cold, she might get sick.
Who's after me?
I know it.
Two more.
2 minutes probably was tired. When they were in it very long.
I'll throw 3 more out and then...
Oh, look at these pretty eggs coming from heaven. You know what? I bet those are ones Aunt Beverly's sending down here, do you think?
The bird flew over right about.
It's the bunny rabbit.
The one floating away out there.
Yeah, I see it.
Go over there. The wind is blowing them.
No, 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 no.
Krista, no.
No, no. Mommy, get it. There you go. No. No eggs over there. Get your eggs. Get the eggs, baby. She's gotten bored now.
She's done. Okay, I'm going to stop it.